Hey guys, I'm Mr.Gadget and in this video I'm gonna tell you the top 15 features of Android 9. If you end up liking this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. After rebooting the device, the first thing you will notice is the new refreshing widget. If we tap on the temperature icon, then it will open our weather app, which is also new to stock Android. Then you will notice the change of the position of the Google search bar. Now it is on the dock. If you press the volume up or down key, it will appear to the high middle on the screen with an extra feature of toggling between normal mode, vibrate mode and do not disturb mode with a setting, which will directly take you to the sound settings. Now notification panel is also changed, not that much but a little bit of refreshing and colorful. Now setting is completely changed. In lookings you can see colorful and enjoyable icons, they are not boring anymore. Typical back, home and multitasking buttons age is end now. Everywhere you can see the gesture navigation and Apple started in the first. Now you can also have that features on your Android device having Android 9. If you swipe up from the home, you will see the multitask, single tap for going to home, and if you slide to left you can switch between apps. Adaptive battery limits battery for infrequently used apps, which will extend your battery life. On Android Oreo or the previous versions, if you turn on the battery saver, the whole notification bar would turn red, but this time it's not happening. Now the only thing you will notice that the red color, actually not the red, it's more like orange color border and on the battery status icon. In the device security and screen lock, here you will find a new option named lockdown mode. After enabling that, if you hold your power button, you will see power off, restart or reboot, screenshot and lockdown. If you press on the lockdown, it will disable your fingerprint lock and face lock also. And the only way to unlock your phone is to pin, password or pat. This feature is very useful, especially while you were sleeping, cause anyone can break into your phone while you are sleeping by putting your finger on the sensor or by face unlock. So if you enable lockdown mode before sleeping, no one can break into it because you are the only one who knows the password, pin or the pattern. If you enable wind down, firstly it will put your device to do not disturb mode, secondly night light will be turned on, finally your whole display color will be blown, you can only see a black and white display. This is also called as grayscale. This feature is very important when it's your time to sleep or work. Do not disturb mode will help you not to be distracted by notifications. Night light and grayscale will remind you that it's time for sleep. You can use this mode as a schedule. I use this mode from 1 AM to 7 AM because it's my time to sleep. In Android Pie now you have a Google Lens app. You can use it to scan anything like QR codes, barcodes, text, photos, etc.
Last but not the least is the accessibility menu. So first you go to the settings, then scroll down and tap on the accessibility, then scroll down and find accessibility menu, tap on that and turn on the accessibility menu. After turning on the accessibility menu, you will see an accessibility shortcut at the right of your home button. If you tap on that, there will be 9 shortcuts. Now number 1 is Google Assistant, number 2 accessibility settings, number 2 power off, number 4 volume, number 5 recent apps, number 6 lock screen, number 7 quick settings, number 8 notifications, and number 9 is screenshot.
Now let's move on to the special features. Number 1. In Android Pie now you have dual 4G support. That means you can use two 4G SIMs at the same time. Number 2, after upgrading to Android 9, I got an app for FM radio. So that means you have the support for FM radio. Now you don't need to use an app to see your daily mobile activity. Here comes digital well-being. Number 1, you can see how many notifications you have received. You can see how many times you have unlocked your phones, how many times you have spent on an app. You can also set timer for an app. After reaching that limit, you cannot open that app until next day. This feature can help you to reduce your mobile usage. So these were the top 15 features of Android 9. That's it for today. Hey guys, I'm Mr. Gadget Freak, signing out.